Oh.
Station.
What's in it? No, what are you doing? What are you making?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Which one?
What are you gonna put in the cookies?
Chocolate.
Ooh, what else?
Colored ones.
Colored ones. What else? You're gonna put in crackers. Ew, I don't want cheese crackers in my cookies.
Even eggs.
Even eggs?
Yeah.
Wow.
The sugar. We already put sugar in it, and these.
You already got the sugar in?
And butter. And we're gonna put the flour in.
You stir it up? Yeah. Look at your cookies, Noah. You gonna stir them up?
Yeah.
Be careful, that's a big bowl of cookies.
Whoa, even hard too.
It's even hard to stir. What's your favorite thing in those cookies?
The M&M's.
Oh, the M&M's.
One blue one is going down, and now a yellow one.
Oh, good stirring, Nathan. Stir.
Down.
Done?
No.
No?
Down.
Oh, down. Yummy. What's your favorite thing in there, Nene?
Down.
Oh, going down? Let's look at your cookies. All done. Wow.
Done.
Yeah, those look good.
Oh no. Done.
Yeah, and you guys eating them?
Yeah.
Are they yummy?
Yeah. Duh.
What? Oh, did it break apart? That's all right. Don't touch it.
I ate it.
Oh, okay.